Now you go to the hospital to join long queues before you can just renew our health insurance. I'm going to show you this right here, but before we go into it, make sure that the SIM card you're going to enter this code on the screen has registered mobile money. Okay, so if Vodafone Cash, MTN mobile money. Okay, then after that you just renew it on your phone right there. So let me show you how you can just do it right here. Let's start. If you are new, follow us or subscribe for more videos from here, and also like this video because it will really help me a lot and it will help me do more for you. Let's start. So enter this code in your phone, *929# and then call this code, and can you like the video for me? So when you come here, go to 2, renew membership. When you go to 2, then here you select 1, NHIS card. So when you select that one, and when you come here, just enter the number on the card. So this number, just enter it right there, and then after entering it and then you continue, you have to confirm or enter the number again to just confirm that it is the card that you are entering. So after that, you will see your status, whether the card is active or inactive, and this card is inactive. That's why we are renewing the card. Okay, so after that, you can see 1 from here, continue to pay. Just go there, and then here you select proceed. So you're going to pay the amount, which is 23 cedis, as you see from here. And one thing is that the price changes, so just check. It changes for children, the aged, and I think adult. It differs. Okay, so that's that for the price. And after that, you just continue from here. You come here, and then they will send you a request on your phone, and make sure that you see National Health Insurance Authority in the message or in the request. Otherwise, don't send the money. Okay, so when you see National Health Insurance Authority, then you can just send the money by entering your PIN, and after that, you just tap on yes to approve the transaction. Okay, so after that, your National Health Insurance card will be renewed. So you can just dial the same code again. You come to 1, check policy validity, and then you just check whether your card is active or inactive after you have renewed. Okay, so just follow the steps. Enter your card number, enter it again, and then you see the pop-up right here, and you can see 1 month awaiting. So make sure you renew your card early, because when it takes long and then you renew it, it will take 1 month before it will start to work. So this card took a long time to renew, and this is what happened. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for videos from here. I'll bring you more, and also check on the screen. There is a lot of videos more for you to just learn from us. I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Stay alive.